Hey guys, this video is gonna be lots of fun. I'm gonna use different cue actions to play a basic classical lineup. It's gonna be lots of fun. As a coach, of course, I emphasize in modern way techniques like longer backswing and smooth delivery, but the game and people play different all around the world. Somebody likes to use more punchy stroke, shorter backswing, shorter, more punchy delivery, and somebody likes to use more fluent backspin and smoother delivery. But both ways can work, and it all depends what kind of player and style you are and what makes you consistent. And of course, I just want to say that the most important thing is to see the picture correct, the aiming, and get on impact to the correct spot on the cue ball, height, speed, spin, and most importantly, pot the ball and get position. So I'm gonna start with the style which is not familiar for me. I'm gonna use quicker or shorter backswing and quicker delivery because this is the technique what requires. And I also gonna explain how I feel doing it. So I'll start with the red, with position for the pink, and it's gonna be shorter backswing, shorter delivery. At least it feels for me like that. Okay. And for the rolling shot, it's quite fine, but it's gonna be interesting to see how I play other shots. So okay. So immediately what I feel for myself that I'm using a little bit more fingers in my grip, not the whole arm swing, which I like to play for those shots, but like more fingers. This is what I feel. And some players use that style like Tony Drago, like Dave Harold, like other great players. Jimmy White is shorter backswing. Feels really interesting, but I will do my best to apply it. Oh, Mark Allen is the player who is using. Made the video on compare Luca Bracel with Mark Allen, but this is recreation too. Okay, feels really weird. Okay, let's continue from here. Okay, let's see what I can do. You can play like that, but you just have to get used to that, and it's just a little bit different feel. It's more compact, it's a bit faster. So I think for those kind of delicate shots, it could be even sometimes useful. But for the power shots, it's tough. It's tough. I will try to make punch stroke. Wow, I just feel that I'm using too much body movement while doing that. But as I said, players all around the world, if they're used to that, they can make century breaks in the real game situations. So yeah, sometimes for the coach, it's very interesting to try new ideas. Now I'm gonna play a delicate shot for the pink. So here, this is where I see the short backswing could be really useful, where you need to move cue ball a little bit less. That makes sense for me, but let's say I will try to make screw back right here, and you're gonna see how my grip is gonna work. Okay, so it's definitely more risky, and now I understand that Mark Allen is capable to play like that because in order to get hitting to the correct spot and using shorter backswing, you have to kind of have a quicker backswing and kind of flick with the wrist. So that could give you a nice insight how they operate and how they make their cue action work. Again for the blue, a bit faster. And of course, in order to put the balls, you have to see the picture correct. But I'm just saying that this is a very interesting way of playing, which is not familiar for me. So I'm just gonna do it and see how far I can go. But you see, guys, I'm still getting a reaction. Maybe I made too long. I don't know. Yeah, it's funny. It's really funny how it works, but it works. It's possible, guys. not only one way to play the shots. You could be like that, like Tony Drigo plays, like other players play. My British hand moved offline because I tried to force the shot. Crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust now. Funny. Okay, so that's style number one. Shorter backswing equals shorter, more faster delivery. And I feel that I have to use more wrist action. And it could work for center shots really well, but for the power shots, let me play pink again and try to screw back here. Okay, that was just too crazy. Let me chalk my tip and try to get good result. I don't want to make sure that I miss on purpose. Okay, it's tough. For me, tough, it doesn't feel natural. Again, some players don't like long backswing, but it could work if you get used to it and you see the line better and you understand how with your own technique you can control cue ball height on the cue ball and that kind of stuff. That could work. Now, I consider myself in between quite longish. This is like what I personally prefer because I could flow the ball more. So me personally, I like to, for many shots, now I kind of short it down, use longer swing. Because I kind of feel when I use a longer swing, like many top players do, like John Higgins or Ronnie, that I kind of hitting with less effort. I don't use as much wrist action into the shots. I'm using more like arm muscles there. So I kind of use a smoother backswing and smoother delivery. And of course, for this shot, it's not going to be long swing because it's just a drop-in shot. But let's say if I want to make a screw back like that, I will definitely play with longer backswing to generate speed. And I feel that I don't need to use as much force into the shot. The tempo is softer. And of course, there are pros and cons. For certain delicate shot, I can make my backswing maybe too long. Let's say if Luka likes to play, I could easily, with the long backswing, decel. So it could feel on certain shots too wobbly if I use too long. So I try to, on the softer shots like pink, make my backswing a bit shorter because that provides me a feeling on the shot. So I could compress and follow through. So the most important thing at the end of the day is to have a quality follow through. If you use a shorter swing and you can follow through, that's good. And if you see the lines and you understand how your mechanics works, also fine. So this is probably how the modern way is played. So I would say there are two distinctive styles. Somebody who is using more shorter swing, like Mark Allen, like Marco Fu, like Joe Perry. And there are players like most of the modern players, Ronnie, Higgins. Mark Williams, by the way, is somebody in between. He could use a longer swing. He could use a shorter swing. So, he's probably the player who is in between. So yeah, sometimes Williams could use longer swing to get cue ball moving right there. But let's say shot like this off the black ball spot, he could use a little bit more moderate backswing. So it just depends on the personal preference, what makes the player more consistent. And when I watch the players, I try to figure out, based on their style, based on their body structure, what could potentially work for their own benefit, and try to find training strategies to help them improve their mechanical side of the game. And of course, when your mechanical style to the game improves, your potting improves, your cue ball control improves, and everything else. So this is what I do in my mentorship program. All the information in the description box. Okay, so that was comparison of different techniques. Next video, I'm gonna compare elbow positions, straight, inside and outside. It's gonna be lots of fun. Quite controversial topic, but we will see how it's gonna go.